Are you ready to take control of your financial future and start earning big in the roofing industry? Spot on Roofing and Solar is offering a limited number of spots in our Roofing Business Accelerator Program, where you will learn the roofing business from the ground up and fast-track your way to success. This is not just another training program. This is a hands-on, step-by-step system designed to help you close your first 10 deals fast and earn over $25,000 in as little as 10 weeks. Here is what you get. 1. Expert sales and claims training so you can confidently find homeowners who qualify for insurance covered roof replacements. 2. A proven process to inspect roofs, document damage, and work directly with insurance companies to get claims approved. 3. A fast track to earning. With just one deal a week, you could be looking at over $25,000 in commissions in just 10 weeks. The best part, no experience is needed. We give you the tools, training, and mentorship to succeed. You will learn from industry professionals who have already mastered the process. This is a limited opportunity, and only a few spots are available. If you are serious about learning the roofing business and want a proven path to financial success, now is the time to take action. Call us today or send a message to apply for the Roofing Business Accelerator Program. Start closing deals. Start making money. Take your future into your own hands.